Hi y'all. We got some rain today. Look at the clouds. Yeah. I got sprinkled on the way over here, but not too bad. I sat around too much today. I need to get some exercise. I go to scrolling on the phone, and y'all know how it is. You get addicted to it. If you're watching, hi Gaby. I love you. I love you, Gabriel. Okay, here we are. Ain't it beautiful? And everything's been washed with the rain. See those clouds? Feels good to get out and walk. All this humidity has been hurting me. My neck and my right shoulder. Oh, it's been hurting. It hurt me all last night. It was hard for me to go to sleep. Finally did go to sleep, but it just wasn't real easy for a while. There's the jailhouse over there. Walking in some water right here. They've got Christmas in July on the fence there. See the stuff on the fence, the jailhouse. I like Christmas in July. I like Christmas anytime. See the bell on the Catholic Church? You can hear it ring for blocks and blocks away. I like it when they ring that bell. I like it. I boiled some cauliflower today, and I ate that for supper. I love vegetables. This way. I had something to talk about. Ain't nothing new. I was just thinking about, I've always loved to watch westerns, those good old westerns. Shows like Bonanza. It's funny whenever they have a fight break out in the saloon. All those men jump in there and go fighting and brawling, and the women in there be a screaming. I like those old westerns. Look at the sky over there. Those clouds around the courthouse. Pretty. Well, the Classic Man is open. Classic Man. Well, I guess I'll say goodbye for now. I ain't got nothing else to talk about, really.